Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials and video. N sounds like N, as in the negative words no, or the informal nope, or the word not. Neither and nor are also negative words. Neither he nor she went to the store. They did not go. A name is what someone or something is called. What is her name? Her name is Nancy. We use a capital N for the name, Nancy. A noun names a person, place, or thing. Some people that start with the letter N could be a nurse or a neighbor. An example of an abstract noun is noon, or 12 p.m. Napkins in the news are plural nouns. And some foods are naan, nachos, and noodles. This is nice and this is neat. Those are two adjectives that start with N. The number 9 starts with the letter N. Noisy and nosy start with N. The nosy puppy is very noisy. Natural is an adjective that means of nature. This is a natural scene. To nap is a verb. A nap is a noun. A narrative is a story. The narrator is the person who tells the story. I looked out of my window and saw a fox. A nursery rhyme is a short, rhyming poem or song made for kids. Do you know this nursery rhyme? A narrative paragraph describes an event or tells a story. When I looked out of the window, I was surprised to see a fox in my yard looking back at me. It had nice but shaggy orange fur and seemed to need a bite to eat. Knowing that a fox should be wild, I knew not to feed it and watched as it continued on with its day. I hope that fox will come back again. And now it's time for a nursery rhyme called The Food News. All of the images were provided by AI from labs.openai.com. The Food News. Nachos are delicious and nutritious. The rice I ate last night was nice. I took out my spoon to eat soup at noon. There are 9 napkins in the nurse's purse. The noisy poodles slurped oodles of noodles. Naan is bread just the same, even though it has a new name. I ate so much, but I'm not yet full. This is just not natural. Neither the nearby neighbor nor the nosy chap knows how much I need a nap. With no N nouns left for this food news rhyme, I'll nestle in, for it's night time. That's it for today. Please help my views by sharing my new nursery rhyme, Food News. This is just a friendly reminder to keep studying English. You have made it over halfway through the alphabet now. Thanks for watching To Go English Tutorials. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have a great day.